Hey everyone, and welcome back to my 3LS channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of smartphones with the highly anticipated Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G. Let's unbox this mid-range powerhouse and explore its impressive specs. This one was bought in MediaMarkt and already comes with a screensaver installed, as you see here in the box, which is a bit odd, as they have to open it in order to do this. Either way, let's see what's inside. The Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G. Right off the bat, have an impressive, stunning design. The black back panel and sleek, curved display give it a premium look and feel, defying its mid-range price tag. The large 6.67-inch AMOLED display is a visual treat, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for seamless scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, we have a powerful Snapdragon 7 V2 chipset, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, expandable to 18 GB, and 512 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of power and space for all your apps, games, and media. The device also supports expandable storage via a micro SD card, allowing you to further expand your storage capacity. The camera system is a major highlight of the Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G. The main camera sensor captures stunning photos with incredible detail and dynamic range, even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide camera lens expands your field of view, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and group photos. The 200 megapixels telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer, allowing you to capture stunning close-ups. And for selfie enthusiasts, the 32 megapixel front camera delivers sharp and vibrant self-portraits. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G is its impressive battery life. The large 5000 mAh battery, coupled with power-efficient hardware and software optimizations, ensures that you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. The device also supports 120 watts super-fast charging, allowing you to top up your battery from 0 to full in an impressive record time of less than 20 minutes. The Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G offers a range of additional features, including a reliable fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and support for 5G connectivity. The device also comes with MIUI 13 out of the box, providing a smooth and user-friendly experience. Overall, the Redmi Note 13 Pro plus 5G is an impressive mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for the price. With its powerful performance, stunning display, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life, it's a great choice for users who are looking for a well-rounded device without breaking the bank. Thanks a lot for watching till the end, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing videos.